I have GIONEE P7 Max, and let me show you how to set up here the screen lock on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's find here and select the settings. From the list of settings, you need to scroll down and select security. Then let's select screen lock and let's use the security password right here. Tap set password. Now you can use pattern, pin or mixed password. Let me use pattern. Let's draw your unlock pattern, tap continue, and let's do it again just for confirmation. Tap confirm one more time, and here you can tap OK to this password protection. You need to select some security question. So let me choose my security question. Tap confirm. You need to input this twice. Tap OK once more time. You can also require pattern to start up the device. Let me choose no thanks, choose continue. Tap done. And that's it. Now if you would like to lock your device, let's press power key and you should see the screen lock on your phone. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.